Welcome to DIY Spooky Decor. This week we are creating using baby doll heads. Now, they are a little snug to get off. Do your best. I did only need 2 for this project, but since I had 3 on hand, I thought I would give a go at juggling, which I am not good at. Enough of that. Okay, so I did just slice right down the center of them. I want to be able to glue them flat to something. I didn't want to put that in the video because I'm not sure if YouTube has any weird rules about that. So after I sliced them in half, I wanted to put a little slice at the top as well to match the bottom. Then I covered them with a coat of white primer. Then we go in with baking soda and a mixture of black and white paint to get a nice stone gray texture on these baby doll faces. Going in with a ripped beauty sponge using black and white, I'm going to add some more dimension and texture to these. Now feel free to paint the eyes whatever color you like. Leave them stone, black, red, purple, whatever. I'm going with gold because it's going to match what I'm gluing them onto. You'll see it is going to look awesome. And to add a little more dimension and evilness to my baby dolls, I go around with some black paint. I'm using a small, thin brush and kind of feathering the paint out around the eyes and then going in with a beauty sponge again to make sure it's lighter on the outside. I put a little bit of black paint in the lips as well and wiped that in. Now, this is an awesome piece I got from the Dollar Tree. It's a geode table decor. It's only $1. And that's what I'm going to be gluing our faces to. I just used hot glue. The baby dolls are from the Dollar Tree, by the way, and so is this geode. They have it in multiple colors, purple, green, blue, and black. They're all really cool, so I would recommend going and picking up a few for some craft projects. Now I got these black succulents from the Dollar Tree as well. I have a couple of them and I didn't know what to use them for. And I thought they looked really cute coming out of the baby doll heads. It kind of gave them a squid vibe. I don't know. I really like it. And any of the green you see, I just went in and put some black acrylic paint over it. Lets that glue dried and you can't see any green. It's hidden just fine. I got these black flowers from Michael's. They do sell a small amount during this time of year, and I am just placing those in the top. I'm not even gluing them. I'm just bending the wire a little bit and sticking them right in there. And that's it. That is our project. This cost me $4 maybe? $6? Yeah, I'd say about $6. I love it. It's cute. It's spooky. Bonus project. The Dollar Tree has these cute triangular boxes right now. They come with a succulent in it. I just ripped that out. And then do your best to get the tags off. Some of them can be really hard to remove, but we're going to be staining it anyway. I don't have stain on me, so I just use black acrylic paint and water. Make sure it's really watered down. You're just going to put it on there with a brush and wipe it off with a paper towel, and it's going to give a stained effect and give us that darker tone. It is a little difficult to get in those corners. You really got to squish the brush in there, but it's doable. It's just a little messy. Now, the center of this is going to be our vampire fangs. These were actually a gift from a friend, Jess, and I've been saving them to use in a project. And once I found these triangular boxes, I was so excited. I knew I was going to use it. You can see that original blue color that they were. I just covered it in 2 coats of a white primer, splattered some red paint on there for that blood effect, and then I'm hot gluing them right into that box, and it is done. This is such a quick project. It cost me $1. This would make such a cute gift for any vampire lovers in your life. And there it is. I love it. I'm so happy with these two projects. They're both cheap and they're both easy. Thanks so much for showing up, guys, if you made it all the way through. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Check out all my platforms. I've got Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and of course this YouTube channel. And until next time, stay spooky.